I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens with a look at your forecast and another air quality alert for tomorrow. That will be the third day in a row with an Ozone High Pollution Advisory. Friday at this point we're under a watch, but that could be upgraded to an advisory as we get closer. The wild card here is of course the winds, which do look to start to pick up at least a little bit on Friday, but more so into Saturday, and that's when we expect that air to mix out more and ozone pollution to drop to that moderate range as we head into the weekend. But for now, air quality is still looking unhealthy for sensitive groups. That's kids, older adults, and anyone with any kind of respiratory issue like asthma or COPD. You'll want to limit your time outside tomorrow once again if you fall in any of those categories or you may have difficulty breathing. And of course, all of us try to carpool, ride the bus or light rail if you can, because the fewer cars on the road tomorrow, the better. It's going to be another sunny day, and that's how we form this ground level ozone as the sunshine comes in and forces a chemical reaction of pollutants already at the surface. So there's a look at tomorrow temperature wise. Mid 80s at 9 a.m., mid 90s by noon, triple digit heat in the afternoon forecast once again, and we will see another triple digit day on Friday before temperatures start to drop. But there's a look across the valley. 100 tomorrow in Fountain Hills and Apache Junction, 101 in Mesa and Queen Creek, and 102 in Gilbert, Chandler, Tempe, and Ahwatukee, and a lot of those 102s out in the West Valley too, from Buckeye over to Avondale, Glendale, and Levine, and then farther to the north, Deer Valley at about 101 for tomorrow. Lows for us in the 60s across the valley and across the state. We're tracking 60s and 70s across central Arizona and out to the west. So Sky Harbor is going to be a little bit warmer as is usual than much of the rest of the valley. We'll only get down to 72 officially there. 57 in Sedona, and 30s and 40s along the rim northeast to the Four Corners, but just one freeze at the south rim of the Grand Canyon for early tomorrow morning. In the afternoon, 93 in Kingman, 90 in Sedona, and 93 in Globe, 80s in Heber and Show Low, 77 in Flagstaff, and then really heating up out to the west with Lake Havasu City going all the way up to 105 tomorrow afternoon. High pressure, of course, is what's bringing the heat, but low pressure comes in next. Again, this will be our wind maker, and it will bring us some cooler air. It doesn't look like a lot of rain, but we may see a few little hit and miss showers here and there across northern Arizona as it skirts through either over the weekend or early next week. Here in the valley, no rain in sight, but cooler air, which will take us down into the mid 90s by Sunday.